Okay, we're gonna pray that this camera don't. Ah! Oh, okay. I think there's something in my teeth. Hey guys, it's Gift, and today I am back again with another video. And I have not been here in like, what, a year? Like, come on now. But I'm here now, and with the bomb video. So if you have not read the title, today's video is going to be a how to get Snapchat back. So if you're just like me and you literally want, like, you have that desire to get the old Snapchat back, then you're in the you're in the right video. You have came to the right place. While you are here, click that subscribe button. If you are subscribed, click that thumbs up button. If you don't like it, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button. Yeah, that's basically it. Stay tuned for the rest, and I will see you guys next time. Ooh, okay, I keep dabbing like that's a theme now. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be taking you guys on a tutorial on how to get this app that will allow you to get Snapchat, the old version, back. So yeah, let's just go through it. Okay, so basically what you're gonna do is you're going to go on your Safari or web or browser or whatever, and type in what I'm typing in. So you're gonna type in app Valley, just like that. This is the exact URL you want to use, just that. appvalley.vi whatever. Okay, I really cannot spell. Alright, so now you're gonna go to install App Valley, and they're going to give you a message that says this over here. You want to press install. It's really simple, y'all. It really does not take long. So as you guys can see, it is downloading right here, which is pretty awesome. Yeah, so we're just gonna wait for that to download. Tick tock, tick tock. App Valley is now downloaded. You want to go to settings, okay? Go to settings, and then I can't even talk. And then go down to general. Once you're on general, you want to scroll down to device management, and you're gonna get this over here, enterprise app, whatever. You're gonna press on it and then say you trust it, okay? Once it's trusted, it's verified, and you're able to go on it. So you see, this is how you get it. So this is where our apps are, which we can download. So we're gonna type in, okay, there's a lot of ads, which is annoying. And also on the Snapchat that we're going to be getting, there are a lot of ads as well, but it's alright. So the one that I use is Snapchat Plus Plus. You just want to press get, and then you can either install as original or as duplicate, but I would want to have the new Snapchat along, so I would just install as duplicate. It's pretty optional, but I just like to, you know, do as duplicate because I feel safer a little like that. So yeah. And then as you guys can see, it is downloading right here, which is pretty amazing. So yeah, we're just gonna like, you know, wait for that to happen, you know. Do you guys not remember that song TikTok from Kesha? Oh, I can't even talk. TikTok from Kesha. TikTok on the floor. There we go. So now we have Snapchat Plus Plus, and you're just going to click on the app. And one thing about the app is that it does have a lot of ads, which can be pretty annoying, right? Annoying, which is like this, for example. But you just get used to it. And I don't know what's going on, but I'm just gonna press I understand. The only thing I have to say about it is that once you're doing this app, you cannot play with the map, or because there's this thing where if Snapchat detects that you're using a third-party app, you can be banned. So that's why that's personally why I uploaded this as I downloaded this as a duplicate, because I feel quite safer having it as a duplicate, knowing that I can switch around. And I hope it's not showing me first. Okay, we're gonna say yes. Careful what you press in, and then we're going to say yes, yes, and be careful when it asks for a location. I'm sorry guys, I'm just chilling here. Okay, so this is how it looks. It doesn't originally, you know, look like the Snapchat, but everything is literally the same. So if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, I'm right here, FABXEG. This is how you get the original Snapchat back, and you can open messages. Open messages like that. Wait, what you say? LMFA, I love your snap. Oh, I love snaps with your sister. Sometimes always I'm so sorry. I love when people laugh at my snaps. You guys see my snaps are funny. So adding on Snapchat, and this is how you get the old Snapchat back. and you can go here, but just really be careful with your location. That's the only like part I would say be very careful, because I think they said something, and everything on your memories and all that would be saved, you know. Everything is saved. We're not gonna go there, but yeah, that's basically how you get the old Snapchat back. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Yeah, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.